Where he was given complete military honor while the trumpet played sung. To his dying day, he never gave up his burning love of country and the concern that the liberty he and his brothers had sought to achieve would come to his country at last. Never did any of the results, from our national hero to his mother and to his brothers and his sisters, ask for recognition. Jose Rizal himself wanted a humble brave. Theodore Alonso de Rizal, his mother, gently and nobly refused a government pension. Paciano Rizal, after laying down the sword of war, refused to take up politics, though he was immersed in the political events spawned by a new generation. From his home, which which is his which is this hallowed place, he did this for no reward, and most of all, he did what was his lonely